Guys, guess what? This video I will show you how I draw the full body sheet and also not a tutorial. Wow, her Rosie looks so beautiful. I want to draw this. Let's get into it. First, it's time for the sketching, so let's sketch. So here's the sketch. Oh my god, that's so ugly. I start to the front hairs to be attached to the body parts. I love doing line art with red and baking to color they want and change it black to whatever I want. Let's make the hand parts. Seriously, gacha video is making so hard. For the anime part, I will talk about it at next video. Oh, come on, a head again. I watched too many ads.